nothing to do today, man. But the nigga sure live hungry. Chicken sandwich or cheese sandwich? Thigh or rye? Sun under the bun? Yeah, nigga, yeah. Chicken sandwich it is. Alright then, my pimps and pimpettes, what you gonna do first? You gotta get your mise en place. Mise en place is basically everything that you need to get together in order to make the dish that you are trying to make. So first, what we are gonna do, we're gonna get our chicken thighs. A lot of places, they use chicken breast, but I hate using chicken breast because it always turns out super dry. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm probably, what? Everybody probably just gonna eat one piece of chicken. So I'm just gonna do 4 for y'all, you know what I'm saying? We got 4 running for y'all coming through the drive-thru, you heard? Alright, so you see all this fat that's on here? What we gonna do is we gonna trim all this off and we're gonna throw it to the side. You know, I know a lot of black people specifically, y'all like them fried, crunchy chicken skins, you heard me? So, probably later on, when I pin them to the side and everything like that, I'm gonna season them up, toss some flour and stuff like that. Get my oil ready and I'm gonna drop them whole. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's stack these up, you know what I'm saying? I say we wanted to deep fry these skins, we gonna leave just a little bit of meat on there. You know what I'm saying? Just give a little extra little burst of puyal, you know what I'm saying? So, we're gonna cut that right there. Bam! Alright, man. So you see I got these clean little thighs, you know what I'm saying?
Look at all those chickens.
And then I smooth my white thighs, you know what I'm saying? And then one, Alright. So the next thing that we gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and get us a little bowl, go ahead and put our chicken and everything up in there, you know. We're gonna add our seasonings, add our liquid to help the batter stick a little something, you know what I'm saying? Alright then, man, I got my chicken inside of the bowl and stuff, you know what I'm saying? What we're gonna do next, we're gonna go ahead and add the little liquid. What I'm using today is, I'm using that 2%. That 2%, you know, fair life, even though life ain't fair, but this fair life, baby. Alright, just a little bit. You don't want to put too much up in there. You just really pin just a little bit so your batter and everything can really clump up and stick on there. You want that clumpy because you're gonna have that extra crispy if you got that crunchy. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we end up, as you can see, well seasoned up. You know what I'm saying? So what we gonna do is we're gonna take these little tom here. And go ahead and mix that on up, mix it on up in there real good. Make sure all of them got that little nice little coating on there, you know what I'm saying? You want all your seasoning to be well seasoned up, because if it ain't well seasoned up, then it ain't gonna be no good chicken. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to know what I put inside of my chicken to season it, comment it down below. And I might just let you know. So now we're gonna add our flour. What I'm using is, I'm using some of this stuff right here. This some real good stuff right here. This some real good stuff, baby. You gotta try this, baby. This some real good stuff right here. Alright. So they're gonna open this up. I don't know why I ain't been open this up. Oh, making a mess, boy. Cocaina. They're gonna fill it on up, you know what I'm saying? This is just adding that little southern little buttermilk flavor to it, you know what I'm saying? I don't really like the flavor of the liquid buttermilk. So what I'm just using that flour buttermilk or whatever. So as you can see, I'm well coating everything because remind you got liquid and stuff up in there. So it's gonna start getting real mushy and thick and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying? It might look like a lot of flour right now, but it really not, you know? So we gonna go ahead and just mix it just like that here. Bam! Yeah, baby. So as you can see, everything is well breaded, you know what I'm saying? You want these nice little clumps, because like I said earlier in the video, if you have all your clumps and everything like that, it's gonna turn out way crispier, and you gonna thank me. You gonna thank me. Thank you. So the next step, we gonna go ahead and get the grease over here, heat it up. You know what I'm saying? We gonna go ahead and throw this junk up in there, grease. Stay tuned.
Let's turn up the heat! Yeah!
Alright, man. So
A few moments later.
Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
Yeah, all the time. You know what I'm saying? So what we gonna do is we gonna take these, lay them all in there.
alright, man. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Y'all hear that?
It's chicken. It's fried chicken. It's fried chicken. I like fried chicken.
That's what you want to hear. And when you doing chicken, make sure that junk say 165. You know what I'm saying? If that junk anything up under 165, you at risk of getting salmonella. Quite sure y'all don't want none of that. But alright, let me show y'all how we do this. So we had picked up this little sauce. Normally we go to the Fred Market and we get their the fresh spicy aioli or whatever. So pick just a little dot right there. You know what I'm saying? Get your little butter knife. You're gonna pick just a little bit on the bottom. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like all them wet sandwiches and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Especially with chicken. And that joint end up getting too wet. You got some problem, you know what I'm saying? Alright. So that me add my pickle, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do pickles on one arm, cause I don't do all them pickles and stuff, you know. So that pickles on one arm. Go ahead and add my little slice of lettuce. That lettuce be bustin', boy. Alright, so which piece of chicken I want to add on there? I'm gonna throw this on there. Oh! Yeah. Oh! Yeah! Yeah, baby. That's it right there. And top it off with a little bit more of that spice aioli. You know what I'm saying? And just a little bit more on that. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, baby, yes! Woo! Look at that sexy.
I'm finna go make love to your lady. I got 2 buns over here with some thighs.
Alright then, pimps and my pimpettes, you know what I'm saying? I done came inside of here, I done threw down inside the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, finna grow up. Nigga been hungry, I've been contemplating on this day. I've been thinking about this day for about like what? 4 or 5 shit months, you know what I'm saying? And it finally here. We finally finna eat that chicken sandwich that we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for this. Alright, man? So like I said before, if y'all wanna see what I season everything with, you know what I'm saying? Or you wanna see our reactions to us eating this sandwich? Oh, excuse me. My sandwich. Make sure you comment down below. You know, see more. Just say see more. I love y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in with your boy. Finna get ready to buck up out of here. I got the munchies. I'm finna grow, you know what I'm saying?